Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first thing we want to do is go down to the Windows Start button and select this, and then go on down to Settings. Now, under Settings, let's go to Privacy and Security. Go on down under this list until we get to Microphone, under App Permissions. So let's select this. Now go to Microphone Access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. So let's turn this on. Then make sure you have the applications checkmarked for use for your microphone. So if you have something disabled, like desktop app web viewer right here is disabled, I want to be able to use it with that application. So turn on the application you want to use a microphone with. Then go on over to System, and then go to Sound. Following levels, output, input, and sound devices. Now under here, go to your output device and make sure you have the correct speakers or headset selected. So I'm using my speakers. Then go to volume and turn up the volume and make sure this is loud enough. Then go to input, and this will be your microphone. Choose your microphone under this list. So I have the Blue Yeti Classic selected. Otherwise, you can go to pair a new input device and go to add device right here. And then you can choose Bluetooth, wireless display, or dock, or anything else. Could be a headset. Now, once you have that input selected, go on down to where it says Advanced and go to all sound devices. And you can see if your sound device is listed under here. Then go on down to volume mixer, and you can see your input and output device and the volume, and then the volume for the specific application. Now sometimes I like my system sounds lower than my game audio for like Call of Duty or Warzone, etc. So I'll leave my system sounds lower. Then you can back out here and go on down to More Sounds. Now this window will appear. Go to your playback device and select your headset or speakers, and then go to where it says Set Default. Then do the same thing for recordings. Locate your microphone under here. So let's locate my Blue Yeti microphone. So I can see it's located right here. It's already my default device. Select it, and then go to Set Default Device. Now I'm going to go to Properties. Then you can go to Listen, and you can listen to this device and you can hear yourself talk. Then go on over to Levels and make sure your microphone is loud enough under here. Mine is set to 100. Then you can go over to Advanced and you can try a different channel. So I'm on 2-channel, 16-bit, DVD quality. And then make sure these are checkmarked. And then go to Apply and OK. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.